Tell us about your front flip.
Strawberry fall. It was tragic.
You're gonna go do something other now? Something now again?
But after that happened,
Look at our
just
nice
watch you do your front flip.
Nah, I'd rather not.
It's terrible.
Well, say goodbye, Strawberry.
Bye.
We'll post another video up soon. But please watch our other video. It's called Strawberry's Front Flip. It's where he messes up on his front flip and almost gets killed. So, yeah.
Ready?
Well, not almost get killed.
We'll do my front flip. Ready?
Oh, wait. He's going to do his front flip. Let's watch
I'm
his. Yes, you are. Go. Pretty boy swag, baby. Tons of girls are going to watch this.
Oh!
Okay. He's hurt. He's hurt. We gotta go, okay?
Cut.
Bye.